At Renewal by Andersen of Central Virginia, caring for our community is part of who we are. Through our Renewal Cares program, we were proud to partner with 12 on Your Side in 2025 to support the Salvation Army and their Angel Tree program, helping bring hope, warmth, and holiday joy to children, families, and seniors across Central Virginia. Angel Tree is a long-standing community initiative that connects donors with individuals and families facing financial hardship during the holidays. This partnership allowed us to support a record-breaking year of giving, while making a direct local impact right here at home. Thanks to the support of community partners, donors, and volunteers, 2025 became a record year for Angel Tree giving. That impact went beyond presents under the tree. More than 14,000 winter coats were distributed, along with 1,100 bicycles for children, helping neighbors stay warm, mobile, and supported throughout the winter months. At Renewal by Andersen of Central Virginia, we're committed to strengthening the communities we serve. Through Renewal Cares, we're proud to stand alongside trusted local partners and our neighbors, especially when support matters most. Because caring for homes is important, but caring for people is what truly makes a difference.